So first of all, read the problem carefully. A car is moving along a straight highway with a speed of 126 km per hour. So let us say the car is moving in this direction. So this is the car that is moving with a velocity of kilometer per hour. So what happens is, after traveling a distance of, let us say, 200 meters, car is stopped at this point. So what is this? This is the 200 meters. What is the retardation of the car? So it is a uniform retardation. How long it takes for the car to stop? Now for any problem, we have three main important equations, and you have to write all the v is equal to u plus at. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. First equation, second equation. S is equal to ut plus of at square. This is the three equations. So most of the almost 90% of the problems can be solved by these three equations. So first of all, write down the given information so that you'll be knowing which formula of the three can be used to get the solution. So initially, so that is initial velocity or initial speed. So it's moving with the initial speed of 126 kilometer per hour. So you try to convert that, always try to convert that into meter per second. So 126 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So this is the velocity speed with which the car is moving. So how much it is, the distance it is traveled before coming to stop? 200 meters. Okay, so now what you have to find out, and we have to find out A, and we have to find out T. What is T? How much time it has taken to travel a distance of 200 kilometers. So at that point the speed becomes 0. So what we have the equations. What are those equations? V is equal to u plus at. So u is given, s is given, finally it is stopped, the final velocity is 0, so 0 meter per second. And so what you have to find out? A and T. So where we have A and T? So we have V with us, so we have V with us, sorry, U with us, so V with us, V is anyway 0, so AT, so you have to find out AT. So and we have v square minus u square is equal to as, so we have a with us, and in this you can find out a value, and from this you can substitute here and get the answer. Here is equal to 2as, the second equation. What is u square? 0 square minus u square. So what is minus u square? 126 into 5 by 18 whole square is equal to 2as. With us, u square minus u square is equal to 2as. So s is, what is s? So 2 into a into s. S is equal to 200 meters. Now what you are going to get? So we have so what is that? 2 3 6 3 4 3 2 6 7 So 35 square into 2a 100. So a is equal to 35 square minus 35 square by 400. So this is a retardation. That's why you are getting negative value. So we got a now. So what is the next thing that you have to find out? You have to find out the t value. So what is t? So we have with that v is equal to u plus at. So what is v? So v is 0. Initial velocity is 126 into 5 by 18 plus a. What is a? So automatically minus 35 whole square by 400 into t. So 3 6 3 4 so much. So minus 35 by minus 35 whole square into 400 is equal to t. Now that implies so 400 by